Okay, we have a receiver in canal or a receiver in the ear hearing aid here, and it's being a little bit weak, not getting as loud as we're used to. So the first thing to check on these is usually a wax issue. So the normal way to clean it for the patient is they go ahead and use one of these little wire loops, and they just clean out the wax from this part that goes in the ear right here. You can see, if it'll focus on it, um, there's not really any visible wax there. It's actually a little bit deeper. So if I show you after I take off this earbud called the dome, so once we've got that off and we look in there, there's actually some wax that's pretty obvious in there once we get that little end dome off of the hearing aid. And so we can still get in there from when the dome is on. Go ahead and put it back on. And actually, if I get down there a little bit deeper, I pulled out some wax there, and I usually just use a little napkin and just wipe it off and get a little bit more out. So you just go a little bit deeper than you normally would. The other way to fix this problem is just to go ahead, take that dome off, and then that white wax guard is actually replaceable. So new ones come on the end of these little black sticks. There's a new white wax guard. On this end, you can remove the old one, or you can also pick it off with your fingernail. But it's just this white wax guard right here comes off. So I just screw this in. It comes right out. And then I flip the stick around and I just press the new one in to the other side. So now we've got a new one. The wax that was in there is gone now. We just put the dome back on to the hearing aid. It just friction fits on. There's some ridges on the end here. And this dome goes right back on. When you put it back on, you just want to make sure you get it all the way on so it doesn't come out in your ear. And now we've got a working hearing aid again. It was working before, but it was just quiet and that wax was blocking it. So that's how you fix a wax guard and get the wax out on a receiver in canal or receiver in the ear hearing aid.